AI tools are transforming software development. Today, we're breaking down two cutting-edge coding assistants, Claude Code versus Google Antigravity. Both help you build and fix code, but they take very different approaches. Let's dive in. So, Claude Code is Anthropic's agentic coding platform focused on deep code-based understanding and quality. It uses Claude models with a huge context window up to 200,000 tokens, letting it reason across entire projects and handle complex tasks like refactors, debugging, and multi-file changes with autonomy. Developers report it often produces cleaner, more accurate code and fewer reworks than many alternatives. Some of its pros: strong code reasoning and quality, few errors and reworks, excellent for large-scale refactoring and deep project understanding, and works in terminals and integrates with IDEs via extensions. However, it still generally requires developer review. It's not fully autonomous. Steeper learning curve if you're not comfortable with CLI workflows. Google Antigravity is a newer agentic-first AI IDE powered primarily by Gemini 3 Pro with multi-model support. It's built around coordinating multiple AI agents that can edit code, run tests, check results, and even control browsers for UI verification, all within a VS Code-like environment. Early access is free with generous rate limits. Some of its pros: it's highly autonomous. Agents can run tasks in parallel and handle end-to-end work. Multimodal capabilities. Works with code, images, design mocks, and browser checks. UI-based IDE experience makes it approachable for many developers. However, being very new, it's still rough around the edges. Some users report bugs and unstable behavior in practice. Reports also show it can misapply changes because of overly aggressive autonomy if instructions aren't precise. So which one is better? Choose Claude Code if your priority is code correctness and deep reasoning, especially for large, complex projects where accuracy and understanding matter. Its extensive context and proven quality make it ideal for serious developers who want precision and control. Choose Google Antigravity if you want next-generation automation with minimal supervision, letting AI agents coordinate work across editor, browser, and terminal for rapid end-to-end development. It's pioneering true autonomous coding workflows, but with some growing pains. The bottom line: Claude Code for deeper, higher quality coding intelligence, and Google Antigravity for ambitious, autonomous agentic workflows. Your choice depends on whether you prefer precision and stability versus automation and autonomy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.